channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Welcome to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Hi guys, Yini, hi Sham, Guningi, and then one. Guys, you know, when it comes to Usiyacela and Umpumelelo, these people in the same WhatsApp group, Sham, Umpumelelo is Siyacela, ne, who went to private school. Same WhatsApp group. Guys, tell me, why is Siyacela nowhere to be found? Ngelanga elibaluleke kangaka. Why is Siyacela nowhere to be found on such an important day where Uthando was just looking for him, trying to call him, you know? So they are making a ceremony for their son. So it's I don't know what they call it, but it's a ceremony where you put isiphandla, you know, esandleni somntwana. So Thando was just so confused, you know. They are preparing. Thando is so confused because Kanti, where is my husband? You know, she tries to call him, nowhere to be found. Mugai is answering the phone, but it's so noisy, guys. It's so noisy. Uthando is just trying to hear what is this guy saying. It's so noisy, they can't even hear each other, you know. And then again, the elders now are asking Uthando, like, where is your husband? We are having an important ceremony. Your husband is nowhere to be found. No, men will leave you in the desert without water for you to dry and dry. Uthando Shem, you can tell Uti, she's so stressed, but she doesn't know what to say, you know. She keeps saying, oh no, I don't care what Siyacela does. Vele, I'm used to this, like he always disappears and then comes back. Dear God, please help us. Please help us. Guys, if your man is nowhere to be found, deep down you know you are hurting, you know, but you'll just say, care for the sake of it. No, I'm not worried. I'm used to him doing this and that. But deep down, guys, we are having a ceremony for our son. You are nowhere to be found. Angeke uhlale ungabi ne-stress. You know, men want to kill us, but they don't want to do it with their hands. But some they are doing it with their hands, but others. And then now he wants to take a second wife, guys, who is a virgin. Ne? Tell me, how is he going to be there for all of these children if you can't even be there for one child? You can't even be there for your wife. How are you going to be there for your wife and the other wife and the children? Because guningi and the Uthando uyiwani. You know, Thando was so worried, and again, what I like that she did, she met up with her mom, and then they discussed she apologized to Mama, I'm sorry, because last time they were together they fought. Like Uthando said something along the lines of umamake akamkhulisanga, you know, like you didn't raise me and all of that, to her mom. So now she was apologizing for that. Like, man, guys, whatever you go through in life, don't turn your back on your family because now things are going well in your mjolo or in your marriage. You will need them. I'm not saying she turned her back, just sharing my 2 cents. It's a good thing that she went to apologize to her mom. They had a meeting, everything went well, and then she told her mom, Mama, I don't sleep at night. My son is sick. My son doesn't sleep. He cries at night, you know. And then her mom was like, but Thando, don't you think maybe you should come and visit me for a while, you know? Because Uthando also mentioned Uguti, Yena no Siyacela, they don't sleep in the same room. This thing hurts me as well on behalf of Uthando. Imagine if this was you guys. We are married, we don't sleep in the same bedroom. Why? So her mom is like, okay, maybe you should come and just stay with me for a few days at least, so that she can help with the child. And Uthando nje, hey guys, nathi siyawathanda amadoda. Akuthi uyayi-one ne? Nami ngikhona, sibalule. Hi. And then now there's this issue here that they raised while they were together kuleyo meeting with her mom. Utando is like, mom, like, okay, umamake is like, Tando, I just wish that you would fix your relationship with your dad, because I don't like you guys fighting and all of that. And then Utando is like, you know what, Mina, I think personally, but it's not about me, and it's none of my business, but here's my 2 cents. I think Utando should just let her dad nje amyeke nje, guys, amyeke. What kind of dad does that to their own child? Lo baba lona was not in Tando's life, ne? Now that, and I like what Tando's mom said, because Tando's mom also said the same thing. He was not in your life. Now you have this show on Moja Love. He comes back wanting to have a relationship with you. Tando's mom was like, no, this guy is just doing it to be on television. He doesn't even like you. And him and Tando are always fighting. And Lobaba Lona Kaizini, I'm really sorry to say this with all due respect. Uthanda ukukhuluma lo baba, uyakhuluma. No, Nina. Uyakhuluma lo baba. I was like, Yana, hey, talking about a DNA test that need to be done between Uthando, uSiyacela and umntana kaThando. Like, what does that have to do with you nje? Uhlanganaphi? And Thando's mom was like, when mntanami, you are not doing any DNA test to prove anything to anyone, but Uthando was insisting, no mom, I just want to do the DNA between uSiyacela and his son, so that like I can clear my name, because now everyone will think I did something wrong if I refuse, which I agree with her, but like, guys, guningi. So now Tando is accused ukuthi uSiyacela and his son, they don't look alike, so there's something wrong there. Tando is accused. Guys, I don't know, man. Guys, please comment in the comment section down below. Do you guys think Tando would do something like that? Okay, I know we don't judge a book by its cover, man. But do you guys think Tando would do something? Tando, guys, I don't know, but she looks like those innocent girls, man, who are just innocent, God, again, you never know. But I'm not saying she did anything, guys. They are just like that, because just because the child is yours doesn't mean good the child will look exactly now like you. Hi kudlaliwe ngathi udlaliwe ngathi. Guys, please subscribe and like this video, comment in the comment section down below, guys. Nina nje manimbhekile uThando, do you guys think she would cheat on uSiyacela? Okay, uSiyacela na is not perfect, unezinto zakhe, but uThando loves uSiyacela. uSiyacela was already nje giving her a hard time, but she went on and had a child with him, meaning she loves the guy and is married to the guy. Like, would she just go and sleep with someone else knowing that she's married? I know married people do that, but Uthando, guys, let's fight for Uthando, please, let's fight for Uthando. Comment down below in the comment section, guys. Like this video and also subscribe. I will see you on my next one. Bye.